Roborock Dyad is the first wet and dry cleaner from its company. I've been using it for some days and found there are some innovations that I haven't seen on other cleaners, which I really like and truly recommend. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the design, we have the power key, a mode key, and a clean button and the handle. Moving down the LED display that shows you the battery level and the clean mode, Teresa. Then we have the clean water tank and dirty water tank. To use it, just take out the clean water tank and fill in with clean water. You can add some detergent if you want, and then put it back. Now you're ready to clean. To test the cleaning ability, I put it through all kinds of spills and stains and found that the Roborock Dyad was just great. It comes with 13,000 per suction, which can easily pick up wet dirt like Coke, porridge, ketchup, and noodles. Actually, in order to show how it handles stubborn stains, we put some coffee powder on a wet surface because in this way the powder would quickly stick to the ground. As you can see, it didn't pick up at the first pass, but a few more repeats would clean all. I'm happy with that because I didn't even put it to the max suction mode. Speaking of that, I want to mention the noise. Normally this kind of wet and dry cleaner requires a more powerful engine to generate the suction needed. The result is usually pretty loud, but the noise on the Dyad is totally acceptable. Even you put it to the max mode, it's only around 69 decibels. That's the normal conversation level, which is quite good. After you finish your mopping, you can put it back on the charging dock and activate the self-cleaning cycle by pressing once on the clean button. Make sure the charging dock is connected to the power source. Then it starts a self-cleaning session. It takes about 2 minutes as it flushes fresh water through the brush roller and tubes for hands-free maintenance. And then you empty the dirty tank after self-cleaning is complete. One thing I found very interesting about the dirty water tank is Roborock has separated the liquid and solid waste. So when you pour the dirty water, it's just the dirty water. Nothing will block your toilet. Another great feature I found on the Dyad is it has a floor drying mode. You press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds to switch to that.
Floor drying mode.
This is great as sometimes we don't want to use wet mopping. Alright, I know what you're thinking. Okay, the Dyad has a good cleaning ability and a self-cleaning ability, good noise control, Teresa, but what's special about it? I hear you out and loud, my friend. Here I'm going to talk about something really innovative that I haven't seen on other wet and dry cleaners. First, the roller system. The Dyad features one full-length main roller and 2 rear rollers, and they roll in opposite directions when working. The main roller goes forward and the rear goes backward. There are many benefits from this roller system. It generates more mopping pressure and it basically cleans twice at a time. Thus would improve your cleaning efficiency greatly. But the most important thing is it gives you a really fast and smooth cleaning experience. I've got to say the Dyad feels a little bit heavy the first time you see it, but once you use it, you will like it. It automatically gives this kind of traction that allows you to push and pull effortlessly. It's so easy, and with their 180-degree cleaning head, man, the Dyad can clean even the trickiest areas like all edges or table legs. The second I've got to mention is the folding holder. With it, the Dyad can stand there steadily. You can then switch the water tanks or change the rollers without squatting like an idiot. Thirdly, what really impressed me is the huge 5000 mAh battery. The clean water tank is 850 ml and dirty water tank is 620 ml. The battery life can easily reach 30 minutes and I can clean my whole house without switching water tanks even once. There are some other great features like voice alerts, smart detection of the dirt, and convenient LED screen, but I think I will just leave it to you to find out more. To conclude, this Roborock Dyad is the ultimate cleaning machine for small or large homes and apartments, providing the option to vacuum and mop all at once. The innovative dual roller system and folding holder are superb. The battery life is one of the best, and with the cordless design, agile cleaning head, making it super simple to carry and maneuver around the house. If you are interested in this product, you can find our link in the description. I'm Sammy, we'll see you in the next one.